The revolution in technology and its future. Technology has revolutionized the world in many ways. It has transformed the way we communicate, work, and live our lives. From smartphones and social media to artificial intelligence and robotics, technology has changed the way we interact with the world around us. But what does the future hold for technology? In this video, we will explore the revolution in technology and its future, discussing the latest developments, trends, and potential impact on society. Technology has been an integral part of our lives for decades now. It has changed the way we communicate, work, and even think. With each passing year, we witness new advancements in technology that push the boundaries of what we thought was possible. From smartphones to virtual reality, technology has transformed the world in countless ways. But what does the future hold? In this video, we will take a closer look at the revolution in technology and its future. The revolution in technology has brought about many changes in our lives, both good and bad. On one hand, it has made our lives easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. On the other hand, it has also created new problems, such as addiction, privacy concerns, and job displacement. As technology continues to evolve, it is important to understand the latest developments, trends, and potential impact on society. One of the most exciting developments in technology is the rise of artificial intelligence. AI has already made significant progress in areas such as healthcare, transportation, and finance. It has the potential to revolutionize many industries and change the way we live our lives. However, it also raises important ethical questions, such as the role of humans in a world dominated by intelligent machines. Another area of technology that is rapidly evolving is robotics. Robots are no longer confined to factories and warehouses. They are now being used in areas such as healthcare, agriculture, and even space exploration. As robots become more advanced and more integrated into our lives, they will undoubtedly transform the way we live, work, and interact with each other. But technology is not without its downsides. It has been blamed for everything from social isolation to job displacement. As technology continues to evolve, it is important to address these issues and find ways to mitigate the negative impacts. Technology has been advancing at an incredible pace over the past few decades, leading to several revolutionary changes in various fields. In this video, we will discuss the top 10 revolutions in technology and their future implications. 1. The Internet Revolution. The Internet has revolutionized the way we communicate, access information, and do business. Its future implications include the growth of e-commerce, the rise of social media, and the development of Internet of Things, IoT, devices. 2. The Mobile Revolution. The advent of smartphones has transformed the way we live, work, and interact with the world. Its future implications include the rise of mobile payments, the integration of virtual and augmented reality, and the advancement of 5G technology. 3. The Social Media Revolution. Social media platforms have changed the way we communicate, share information, and form communities. Its future implications include the growth of influencer marketing, the development of more personalized content, and the rise of social commerce. 4. The Cloud Computing Revolution. Cloud computing has enabled businesses to access and store data remotely, leading to greater efficiency and scalability. Its future implications include the growth of cloud-based applications, the rise of edge computing, and the development of quantum computing. 5. The Artificial Intelligence Revolution. Artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to revolutionize many industries, from healthcare to finance. Its future implications include the development of autonomous vehicles, the advancement of natural language processing, and the growth of AI-powered virtual assistants. 6. The Blockchain Revolution. Blockchain technology has the potential to transform the way we conduct transactions and share information securely. Its future implications include the growth of decentralized finance, the rise of smart contracts, and the development of blockchain-based voting systems. 7. The Biotech Revolution. Biotechnology has the potential to revolutionize healthcare and agriculture, leading to advancements in disease diagnosis and treatment and the development of more sustainable food systems. Its future implications include the growth of personalized medicine and the rise of gene editing technology. 8. The robotics revolution. Robotics has the potential to transform the way we work, from manufacturing to healthcare. Its future implications include the development of humanoid robots, the growth of collaborative robots, and the rise of telepresence technology. 9. The renewable energy revolution. Renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, have the potential to replace fossil fuels and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Its future implications include the growth of green energy infrastructure, the development of energy storage solutions, and the rise of smart grids. 10. The quantum computing revolution. Quantum computing has the potential to solve complex problems that are beyond the capabilities of classical computers. Its future implications include the growth of quantum cryptography, the development of more powerful quantum computers, and the advancement of quantum simulation. In conclusion, the revolution in technology has brought about many changes in our lives, both good and bad. As technology continues to evolve, it is important to understand the latest developments, trends, and potential impact on society. We must find ways to maximize the benefits of technology while minimizing the negative impacts. The future of technology is bright, but it is up to us to ensure that it is a future that we can all be proud of. Thank you for watching this video on the revolution in technology and its future.